Hi guys, Kiki here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a hanging basket for full sun that will attract pollinators all summer long. And remember, everything you need, you can find it right here at Green Acres. Let's get started. Here's what you need: a 14-inch metal hanging basket with a coconut coir liner, organic potting soil, Sure Start fertilizer, a 1-gallon Cuphea Vermillionaire, a quart red salvia, a quart Dwarf Lantana in yellow and beautiful red, and to bring it all home, we've got a 6-pack party mix of Portulaca. Let's get started. All right. I'm putting my work gloves on, as I always do, and let's build this hanging basket for full sun that attracts pollinators. First off, I'm going to take some of this organic potting soil and I'm going to just fill it right on in there. We're going to add quite a bit, halfway full. I'm going to take my largest plant, which is my Vermillionaire Cuphea, which is beautiful. This is an evergreen plant, by the way. Pop this right out, nestle the roots. I'm choosing to place this towards the back. Next, we're going to take our little quart salvia and we're going to pop it right in here like this. The quart Dwarf Lantana, already nice. We're going to pop it in right here like this. And before I put the Portulaca in, I just kind of wanted to see how it's going to look. So I like all of this. I'm just going to take my Sure Start, a starting fertilizer that really helps plants get more water and food to their root ball. It really helps the roots grow quickly, and we want to have successful roots in a hanging basket. Next, I'm placing all of these guys in here. Last but not least, we have the Portulaca. I'm going to add a little bit more soil because these guys are only little 6-packs, so I need a little bit more soil to fill there. I'm going to fill in around the sides just a little bit of my pot up because I'm probably going to add some more of these little Portulaca all the way around, but let's see how it's holding up here. Everything looking pretty good so far. I went with all these red colors because it's so vibrant. It's going to look fantastic in the sun. And remember, this is going to attract all your pollinators, your hummingbirds, your butterflies, your bees. The bees are even going to come for this lantana. So I'm going to take a peek here, pop out this Portulaca, and I'm going to place this guy over here. And I like to place my trailing plants slightly sideways in the container. It's kind of giving them an idea of like, this is what I want you to do. So I'm just going to have it kind of gushing out towards the front, which will look really pretty. And I'm choosing to kind of do, this is the party mix. I'm choosing to kind of do opposite colors. Again, just so it's a little bit more vibrant. And I'm going to pop them in here, a little bit more soil. So, and obviously it's going to take just a little bit for this Portulaca to get started, but you get the idea. All right, guys, it looks awesome, but I do have a little bit more space here in the back, so wait for it. I have another handy 6-pack of Portulaca, again in the party mix. Who doesn't want the party mix? I know the pollinators do, that's for sure. So I'm just going to pop these now in the back. Very easy to do. And these ones have some nice color. All right, it's looking great. So easy peasy. Perfect. I have one little yellow one that I'm going to add right here in front. All right, look at that. Woohoo! I gotta say, I am a super fan of these colors together. What pollinator wouldn't want to come and visit this? So hang this in front of a window at your house. And remember, if you need anything, you come on down to Green Acres and we'll help you find it. Until next time.